In 1972, I visited the office of a United States Supreme Court Associate Justice. My boys' high school field trip to Washington, D.C. included the public, small but tall courtroom where 8 white men and the Honorable Thurgood Marshall sought justice together. We were privileged with a rare session with Byron White, Associate Justice of the Supreme Court. A half hour in his private office, the wood panels, the desk, and the chairs where we freshmen fidgeted. It takes connections to gain the ear of a justice. Our class association with the Associate Justice came from our history teacher being the punter for the Pittsburgh Steelers from 1965 to 1966. Byron Whizzer White led the league in rushing his rookie year of 1938 with the then-named Pittsburgh Pirates. Pro football brought us in the room where we learned about the court and a few Steeler stories. Justice White did not align with liberal or conservative rulings. He advocated desegregation in public schools and affirmative action. He opposed Roe v. Wade and wrote the opinion for Bowers v. Hardwick, which would be later overturned. We didn't get to influence his decisions. We hadn't given him $3 to $4 million after all. We just had a unique ally which allowed our personal encounter to influence us. I came to respect and trust the ideals of the rule of law for all people in our country. 2 years later, in the United States v. Nixon, with one justice's recusal for personal relationships, White joined the unanimous ruling that the president doesn't wield great power without legal consequences. When has a connection invited you into a relationship you wouldn't otherwise have? How do you use your privilege for personal gain? How do you respond to opportunities in life to do acts of love for others?